Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here. So, the SPY actually had a nice little update today, 16 basis points, triple Qs, 26 basis points. And wow, wow, the small caps, IWM, outperforming today. Nice little 1% move. So, it looks like our 1-2-1-2 count is playing out quite well. But we definitely need to see more upside to further confirm this move. And obviously, the PCE data is going to be a big factor for that. So it kind of looks like the market's betting that the data is going to be either better than expected or in line with expectations. And it seems like there's lots of euphoria coming. VIX is dropping, and it could also be setting up for a perfect storm. Maybe everything's going to be really bad and we drop as well. But I'm still betting on more upside in this market. I know there's a lot of bears, but I mean, the bears continue to be wrong, obviously. And if tomorrow's like another big, huge update and, we gap up and we continue to push higher because the market's just so bullish, then what you're going to have in your race divergence, and let me tell you, this is not going to end well, right? This is going to continue higher. This fifth wave will extend and this third wave will extend, and it's just going to keep pushing higher, right? So there's no real point in shorting right now, in my opinion. I am not in any short positions, and we've been killing it inside the Discord. We've been playing our options here. We closed two big winners the other day. We had a 61% winner on Tesla, and we had a 91% winner today on Google. I entered these a couple days ago, and I don't get them all right. Right, I took some losses on Meta. Right, I took some losses on Meta today, trying to day trade with some Meta options, which was unfortunate. But again, and another one right here, lost 16% on Kava, but I think we made it up with some 44% on Google, right? So overall, the winners outweigh the losers. So that's all I really care about. Okay, let's continue. Let's take a look here at the SPY on Market Cipher. So we're still seeing some green money flow, although not a lot. We got bullish dual band strength index numbers, 4-hour time frame. You got thick green money flow. It looks like that we're gonna get some more upside. So we're in a bullish trend. There's no real point to fight the trend right now, and trying to be smarter than the market, because obviously the bears that thought they were smarter than the market were clearly not smarter. Um, okay, let's continue. So I think I talked about the IWM, triple Qs. So triple Qs could be setting up for a dump down and an ABC correction, unless the ABC is already done and it's such a shallow 4, which is possible. And if it is, then this thing's just going to run higher and extend the fifth wave. So you should continue in a fifth wave here. But again, I wouldn't be surprised if this is a deeper 4. But we'll see how this plays out. So let's just leave it as is for now. All right, we'll put it like that. And if it does dump down, and I'll give you guys a target of where this could be going. Right. So if the B is actually in and the data is bad, then the triple Qs would be a buy right here. Right around this area. This is where you dip buy on the triple Qs, and the wave 4 should finish right around this area. Okay. All right. Let's continue on. Let's take a look at some individual names. Why not? We'll cover Apple. You know what? Let's take a look at Amazon, because Amazon is in breakout mode. Told you guys this was a wave 2, another dip buy opportunity. Now it's pushing up inside of a wave 3. So this was clearly a good call, and we're continuing to push higher. I don't always get them right, but it looks like this one we nailed it. So this should be a 3 of 3 moment. Very bullish, much higher to go on Amazon. Apple was another dip buy opportunity. Looks like it's trying to come out of this into this final fifth wave. I think it's more upside. Microsoft, I don't have Microsoft charted properly, or maybe I do. Maybe I do. There was this dip buy opportunity that didn't occur. It was just a larger wave 4. Yeah, I think it was just a larger wave 4. So let's just extend the B here and the C, and then you were done. Right? Eventually, you came back into the area, and then 4, and now you're in the fifth. So just extending. You got higher to go, and you can clearly see 1-2 setup. Right? So much higher to go. This 3 could extend if the market's bullish tomorrow. Tesla. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla, beautiful movement today, up another 53 basis points. I think it's trying to continue this rally here, although it could be stalling out for a wave 4. 4 could already be in too, and it was a dip buy, and now you're going to push up at a 5th. If you erase divergence, you're going to extend the 3rd wave. Simple as that. NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, quite bearish now. It's starting to see money leaving NVIDIA, maybe enter other stocks finally. So if this is a B wave for NVIDIA and it's in, then I'll tell you guys where the dip buy opportunity is going to be for NVIDIA, because it looks like it's forming a B wave here. It would be right around 105. I'll just put it to here, but yeah, you can dip buy all the way to 105 to 92 is a buy area for NVIDIA, and then it should continue up in a 5th wave and finish this whole cycle up. But we'll have to see how this one's going to play out. Okay, so that would imply like 15%, 14% downside in NVIDIA. So I'm not too sure if we're going to get that if the market's that bullish. If the market's bearish, then yeah, we're going to get that breakdown. Let's talk about the Hang Seng. So we talked about the Hang Seng last time. I said I got out of my trade. I took my profits, rightfully so, because now we're continuing to break down here. And now we have, you're getting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move. And once this is going to be done, we're going to re-enter Yin, which is the triple leverage ETF of the Hang Seng, and China ETF, and then we're gonna ride this back up. Okay. So you gotta be patient. That's always said. You gotta be patient, and there's always an asset that's going in and out. Some people get fixated on one stock. There's plenty of things you can buy here and there. You don't always gotta stay focused on that one thing. Learn to let things go. Let's take a look at ROKU. So ROKU looks like it's getting some upside today. Try to break out of this channel. Big couple updates, these last two trading days. And honestly, looks like maybe I'm wrong about ROKU going down lower. Maybe the wave is just finishing here. And if the market's going to be super bullish, then maybe this is the final breakout that we're waiting for. So, I stopped out. This has validated my setup. And I would just, if you're still in it, then I hope it goes up. But if it does break down, then it would be close to a double bottom here. Okay, all right. Let me cover some other things. So let's take a look at TLT. So TLT, the bonds kind of chopping about today, kind of waiting for tomorrow's data. The bonds are slightly up in the after hours here. The DXY was up higher and it's starting to pull back. I still think the DXY is making a major top here, unless we take out these pivots and we push higher. Then ultimately, you got the invalidation point at 106.5. If you go past that, then this whole setup is lost, and this market is going to get really bearish in a hurry. Okay, let's take a look at oil. So oil's pushing up higher here today, and I think oil may be going for this final 5th wave without erasing divergence. If it erases divergence, then this is going to go. The 3rd wave is going to extend, and you're going to extend the C leg even more. But the short area should be 84. Let's take a look at gold and silver. So gold and silver kind of reacting nicely to this buy zone here, still holding it. Ultimately, I think we got higher to go. Gold and silver, it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. I wouldn't be trying to cute with it. Be cute with your positions. Just enter. I'm just still in gold mining companies, and I'm going to continue to hold. I'm going to continue to add because I think they're a great opportunity. Okay, so that basically kind of wraps things up here. I don't really have much to add. You guys been following me. You guys know where I stand on this market, and I think we've been calling things pretty darn correctly. I think I said to you guys this was a dip buy here, and we got long the market. We got more long the triple Qs, the Dow Jones, and the IWM. Now we're all up on those positions while the bears continue to short and their portfolios continue to go down. So again, I will be a bear when the time is right, just not now. Have a wonderful night, guys, and hopefully the PCE data is in our favor tomorrow. Peace.